Hi friends, I am doing another 5-minute flower, and this one I actually know the name to. I'm going to show you how to make a little piece of lavender flower in just a few minutes. First, I created a pattern of the lavender that I wanted, and then I am using carbon transfer paper to transfer the pattern onto my fabric. I always get questions on this paper. It is linked below and it is the best thing ever. It's reusable and I use it all the time. I always add a second piece of just plain cotton fabric underneath my linen-like fabric. It just is better for more support. It makes the stitches look a little smoother. I'm going to start with the stem of the lavender, and I'm going to do a split stitch. So I'm going to do one stitch length forward. Then when I come back up through the back, I'm going to go through the center of that first stitch and then go another stitch length forward about the same. So again, go up through the center of your last stitch and then back down, and you just repeat the process over and over, following the line that you created. For this stem, I am using DMC thread color 632 Beaver Gray. It's a really pretty grayish-green color. I'm not a fan of the way DMC names their threads, but this one's pretty spot on. Also for this design, I am using 2 strands of embroidery floss doubled over and knotted in the back so that it makes 4. Then for the little leaves at the bottom, I'm just doing a simple straight stitch. Now time for the actual lavender petals. I am just doing a lazy daisy stitch here. I use really long thread, so it gets caught up sometimes. I just find it easier than having to keep cutting thread over and over again. I'll show you up close in case you don't know the lazy daisy stitch. You go up through the back, down through that same hole, then however long you want your petal, you're going to go up through the back. Make sure you loop your thread over your needle and then just pull down to secure the thread. So again, you're going to go down in that same hole, and when you go back up, you want to make sure that your thread is over your needle so that it makes a loop. Then go back down to secure the thread. So I'm just going to go up on both sides of the stem to create the lavender look. Then I want my lavender to look a little bit more full, so I'm just going to go back down and do straight stitches next to the lazy daisy stitches that I already created. I'm just doing the straight stitches at the bottom of the lazy daisy stitch. You can do them both at the top and the bottom, but I just did them underneath. But as always, you can customize it to exactly how you want it. And I just repeated the process on the other stem. And I'm just knotting in the back to secure the thread. And that is it. Thanks for watching another 5-minute flower, and check out my others linked below.